Welcome to Waterside, one of East Boynton Beach's most exclusive gated communities along the Intercoastal Waterway. Today we're touring a beautifully renovated 3-story N-unit townhouse with a designer kitchen, a spacious layout, and a private mother-in-law suite on the first floor. Come with me, let's take a look around. This Waterside N-unit offers the perfect blend of style, flexibility, and resort-style living, all in an unbeatable East Boynton Beach location. If you'd like more information or a private showing of this beautiful 3-story townhouse, feel free to give me a call. Real estate broker James Arena at 561-572-8888 or visit me online at localrealestatebrokerage.com.